Hello all, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to see the Power Query. In Power Query, under View tab, we have the three options: column quality, column distribution and column profile. So let's see the practically. Firstly, we will load the sample dataset if you want to do the practice, and if you don't have any dataset, you can click on the try sample and load sample data. So taking some time, wait for a couple of seconds. So now we have the two tables. So let's load the financials. So transform data means we have the three options. Load means it will load to the current window, and transform data means it will open the Power Query window, and cancel means cancel. So we want to see the option in Power Query window. So we are so let's open the Power Query window. So now you can see Power Query window has been opened. But taking some time, wait for a couple of seconds. Now our data has been open in Power Query window. So Power Query, basically we can do the transformation. So today we are going to see the column quality, column distribution and column profile. Suppose we have the so many columns, maybe the in that particular columns we want to see the quality, like how many number of empty records, how many errors, or how many valid records we have. So if you click on that particular column, select the column and click on column quality. So it will show three colors, right? Green, red and empty. If we have the all, like here in our case, not error is 0%. If you have the like any error, it will show the percentage. Empty, so we don't have any empty records in this column, so it's showing 0%. And all records is valid, so we have the 700 records out of 700. Everywhere we have the string, right? So it's showing like that. So, and if I deselect that and if I click on the column distribution, so here what it's showing, how many distinct value we have and how many unique, right? So you will get confused. So like you can see distinct, we have the government is distinct, but government is repeated, even the mid market is repeated, so that's why it's showing unique is 0. So if we have the government is only one times, then it will show the unique also as a 1. So I will just copy this whole column and open in Excel. I will show you. If I open the Excel, okay, so here 5 distinct values. So government, mid market, and these are the 5 distinct value, but every record is repeated, maybe the 2 times or 3 times, so that's why unique is 0. And here we have the option. If you click on this particular graph, you have the option remove duplicates, copy, remove errors, remove duplicates, remove errors, remove empty, replace errors, right? And I will deselect this column distribution, and if I click on the column profile, firstly I will select the column and click on column profile. So profile means it will show from A to Z, like mostly if you like check the Facebook profile, there you can see the details about that particular person. Here also it will show the whole detail about the particular column. So what it will show, how many count. So total we have the 700 records. So in that error is 0, empty is 0, distinct. So as I mentioned already, we have the 5 records, and that each record may be the repeated for 1 time, 2 times. So we have the 5 distinct. Unique is 0, empty string is 0, min and max. So if you have the number data type, and there if you want to find what is min value and max value, so here again it will show for the government we have the how many records, So 300. So you can see out of 700 for the government we have the 300, that is 42%. And even we can copy this graph if you want. Here we have the option copy. And for the mid market, how many records we have? So mid market we have the 100 out of 700, and that is 14%. And channel partner we have the again 100, that is 14%. And enterprise also 100, 14%. And this 14. So 14 into 4, that is how many days? And 14 into 4, 15 into, so near about I think 56. And this one is the 560 plus something. Let's see the practically how many records it's showing, correct or not. So we have the 100, so means 400, and this is 300. So calculation is very easy. 100, 200, 300, 400, and that is upper one is 300. So total we have the 700 records. So mostly if you are planning to take the PL 300 exam, so there is a one question compulsory on this column distribution, column quality, and column profile. So if you are planning to do PL 300, so just check these options. So that's all about the today's video. If you have any question, please write down in comment, and please